right, happy Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Hold on. Apparently Karen had to leave early, so I'm waiting to see if she's coming back, or else I'm gonna have to go in the office. Wah wah wah, and have a very boring day. But let's see, we got some rims, and we're at 59 bike tires, people. She's not up there. She had to leave. Okay. So I don't know when she's coming back, or if I'm going into the office or what. I hope not. What's that? Yeah. Hell no. It's very boring. Yep, pretty much. That I don't care about. Almost $100. Almost. Well, I was fortunate I do not have to go into the office.
He put it in, I don't know how he got it in there. I ripped the seats.
Oh. Dark and dreary Monday. 22. What is it?
I hope it brought me enough to get some gas.
880.
880?
Yep. Thank you. And look at that I got. A 101 Rob Gronkowski. Pre-production proof off Junk 5000. I bought it. Let's see, he's got one battery so far. We got a bunch of heavy ironing. We're on green. 000. Oh, we got some clean.
Yeah.
Down there. What do we got here? Yeah. £4. Those are motors.
You got two of these motors?
Yep. Tried in 104.
Yeah, I was watching you on fucking YouTube yesterday, man. I missed you. I had to come see you.
Oh, thank you. It's always a good thing. What was that, dirt bike? Four-wheeler. I would say she's had a bet. Yeah, that goes in there too. Yep. Leave a comment. 6. 6, and then 9 pounds of motors.
You imagine, man. I'm fucking strong.
That's a strong magnet.
Yeah, I know. You try to get me pulled off.
We'll just go down there.
You know what?
Yeah, I'll take it, yeah. Where'd you find it?
My son, he works out at landfill. He brought me a whole strip of them, man.
Oh, nice.
See how to pull them apart.
Let's see. Let's look and see if there's anything else.
Yeah, I got a 4-wheeler, generator. I just couldn't fit it on here.
Did you get the...
I do not fit.
Where's the battery located? Under the hood? That's why I looked under the seat. Usually... Yep, right there's another 275. I got snips if you want them. Oh, your trailer. Ow.
Yeah.
We have another half a battery, and we'll call that good. See, I'll always do a little walk around. You might spot something. See, over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. 260 pounds. $104. Nice. Ciento Quattro. Ciento Quattro. Heavy breakage. Heavy irony.
That's a shitter on wheels.
Got a shitter on wheels, buddy.
Okay.
That
Doctor
should be
told me.
worth something.
The doctor told me, look here, Al, you're getting better. Get rid of that motherfucker.
That should be worth something. God.
That's what you can use it backwards.
I know, look at that.
Either backwards or backwards.
A crapper on wheels.
A crapper on
I got it. Ugh. Two tires. Be careful. Whoa! Where you going?
Who's driving this motherfucker?
Hey, let me get a pallet before you set. Don't set that down. Don't set that down. Just calm down, Chris. Oh my God. For what? Yeah. I'm doing it right now. Chris is having a heart attack. All I'm gonna do, Chris, is get another pallet and we're gonna slide it on so you don't have to unload the whole thing. That's yeah. Yeah.
They had to be separated before too, I thought.
Never said anything.
Never said anything.
I mean, some of this shit won't go on. I don't know, Jeff. Jeff, I don't know.
The back one. The back one, yes. Don't make the same mistake the last guy did.
How you doing, Jeff?
I've had better days. That's it. Let's go with that.
I'm making them get rid of this bullshit. That's what's going on.
One man's trash is another man's treasure. That's why we're in scrap. Correct? Yeah. Correct. I like it. Well, pretty soon it's going to be 100 degrees, so in a couple of months.
I know.
So I like this, and then it's going to be sweating bullets all day.
That's why I like it wet and cold.
This reminds me of Seattle. It's like this all the time. Yeah. £1, £8. $83 degrees, or not degrees. 83 bucks. I know it's heavy.
Which one you start with? The number 2?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, there you go. About
79 pounds.
these those get my red buckets because I come with my red buckets.
Pretty much.
See if you find some of that number 1 in there, man. I know I have number brass.
Yeah, brass. Dirty brass.
No?
No.
Alright.
Do you have another bucket at home?
No.
There's only a 10-cent difference, so.
Yeah, that's cool, though. Alright.
250 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
For 775 bucks.
So how much? 250?
Yeah, let's go back here.
Thanks, bro.
16. $15. Yep.
Thanks, buddy. I won't see you for another couple months now.
$829.
$829?
Yep.
I'll take it.
That's a nice load.
I was hoping 900, but hey, it's one
Hey.
straight.
It's a nice little pile of copper right there. The shiny, okay?
Any ham?
This?
Oh, okay.
Yes. See? The solder. That's a nice copper here. Yeah. Yep. That's good stuff. Not going to be copper Jenga today. And that'd be around 400 bucks, I bet. No, it won't be that much. Oh my goodness gracious. There. Yay. Yep. See? $9.98. The bronze. I'll show you bronze. The bronze. You cut. You. Yeah. It's all right. Give him a pound of brass. $337. Trenta siete. Thank you. Yep. Okay. Gloves.
Oh yeah.
What did you have in here, sir?
hydraulic tank. I thought I emptied it, but
I thought I emptied it. Ah, famous last words.
that's a piston. But what is that?
I think
Oh,
they're.
shit, it's
I
cast?
think it's all steel.
Okay, yeah. what's
These
on that?
ones. Yeah. Yeah. These two. These ones are steel. Those are aluminum. Ah, this is the inside.
Yeah,
Is it?
yeah. That's the combustion. That's the skirt.
Ah, a two-part chamber.
Yeah, that motherfucker. Damn, I should have threw them bitches out when I was over there. There's no iron in this at all, right?
There's
No aluminum in it.
No, there's no aluminum in there.
And then I got,
Three of them. Big old starter. That smells like paint and oil.
I don't know how you're doing this.
Yeah, all right.
Rest is harness.
Yep. This guy. Three rims. Three. The semi rim. Weighed 54. Motors weighed 42. And then the wire.
So,
This is going up in here.
yes. I wanted to make sure. What are wheels? Wheels are still at $8?
$8.50, yeah.
Oh, shit. You want them over there?
Yeah, I'm gonna stack them. So I can grab them all at once.
Oh, okay. I got it. That's nasty.
I see this.
Them 30s, I gotta bring them over here still.
Yes, them 30s. That's the biggest rim I've ever seen in my life. What would that go on? You would have to have like a 12-inch lift kit on a car. Because that's what that, right? And the wire. $253, sir. What are you doing, Delilah? I know you want your treat. I know you want your treat. You see it on. I won't hurt her. It's all right. Don't worry. Very slippery right now. There she is. Oh, oh, my friend. We're making room. Huh? What do you mean? I can't grab those ones in the front. I can't grab the ones in the front. I can't reach those. Yes, okay, yes. Let's give you something different. As we get dripped on. Look at it. Hold on. And you guys missed her. She already dropped a bomb. First thing. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Let's find him. All right.
Where did this go? Over there?
Yeah, that's why I dumped it. That one's empty, right?
Oh, this is empty and this is empty.
Yeah. These aren't that bad. That's gonna be a full bin. What'd you do with all the batteries? What'd you do with all the batteries? Throw them away?
Yeah. It was 2 by and the rest of them was good.
What'd you do with the 2 good ones?
It was 2 by and the rest of them was good.
Yeah, so what'd you do with them?
I throw them away.
No, the good ones.
I throw them all of them away.
Oh. Huh?
This is from the same company right here.
Ah, for the solar. Sorry, Delilah. More?
The thing was, what the guy was doing,
Yeah, more.
he didn't run. He put it in run. So we cannot put all the stuff in here. I got way more than this.
Right, 606 pounds. That is 606 pounds.
606 pounds?
Yeah,
And all that?
yeah.
Yeah. But it was more.
You probably would have had about 400 at the for this. And afterwards, I'm going to dump this. I just got like stuff all in the way. Yeah, but not extrusion.
Oh.
You be back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Same stuff?
No. Whoa. I don't know. I'm supposed to go and get some more to finish my photo. Wood or roll of copper.
A what?
Big wood or roll.
Oh, roll of copper?
No, big roll. What kind of difference? They give me a solar panel.
A solar panel?
A good one too. Well, I throw away the batteries, so I went to my tent to get them. Some wood, all kind of shit they give me.
What's that?
Toyota Tacoma. The rock. Oh, Toyota Tacoma. They got a
That
bunch of Toyotas.
You should clean it.
Got time for another yet, bro. What else it is? Where did it go?
On top. On top. On top. Let me see. We're gonna call that clean aluminum. What he's doing now. Hopefully it'll stay there. And I'm wondering how I'm going to make that all the way down where I got to dump it. Yep, all that.
This is clean.
Yep. Yeah, that's what we're doing is clean. I called it clean. That's metal, I think. I think that's metal.
Yeah, metal.
Yeah. All right. 80 pounds of clean. What do you got? $261. On. And come here real quick. I want to straighten. There you go. Yep.
Alrighty.
Yep. The lights? Lights? That's another contest idea. How many lights? Come in. I'm talking. Are these brass? Are these brass? They might be brass. You guys have what? Grills and fans?
Yep, grills and fans.
You have two commodities, not one.
Well, what it is, I do a thing with grills, he does a thing with fans. So we did grills and fans. Oh my God.
So you knock the glass up. It just looked different, you know?
I didn't know those things were brass.
Yeah, you got two more right there. That's copper. These might be brass too. Yeah. Might be brass. Might be. Usually horns are. No, that one is stainless. Yep. Or the pineapple's just coming apart. Yep. Does anybody out there know what a upside down pineapple means? I'm not one, just to let you know. I'm curious if you guys know what that means. Like, I don't know if that's just a Florida thing or what. That goes heavy.
Yep. Trying to get it out of here. I think that's all the extruded.
And that's all the light? All the extruded?
Extruded
Extrusion. Extrude is the process that it's made. The what? Hey, you want a poopy chair? You want a poop chair? 28. 28. Stainless.
Like that's stainless. These are stainless.
Didn't have time to dump these because I dumped this bin and then he pulled in.
Oh, all the
Well, I was gonna dump this, try to, but then I realized that I gotta move that box, that bin, so to get to it, yes. Chris is just messing me up today. Huh?
I tell you, Chris.
It is Chris's fault. He wants to clean all this up, so that's why I have all these boxes scattered. Huh? I don't really care because I have a system that I'm doing. I have a system, you know.
I hear you. And then somebody comes in and messes it up.
Yeah, pretty much. And that's when you hear the hooting and hollering, but. Pounds of extrusion. Are you done after this? Yes, you do. You sound like you want to go home.
There's a bucket inside.
There's a bucket in there. We can grab it afterwards. Oh, this is one with the busted handle. Hold on, you're getting caught. Ready?
Oh, fuck. Don't want to let go.
Doesn't want to be scrapped. I think that's it. Almost 200. 195, sir. Finally. Something else other than customers. Nothing I can do about this until I get my trailer in here. Just make a pile. I guess there was a bad accident on I-4. So the guy's truck is stuck in traffic, or else it would have already been here. guy right here.
How good is your radio?
All right, why?
Like, is it loud? No?
It's not clear either.
It's not?
No.
Oh,
Why?
so look at your report.
Cause what?
This one ain't loud.
Neither is this.
Right.
Exchange it.
Huh?
Exchange it.
I just did it so loud
That just means you don't have to do extra work.
What?
That just means you don't have to do extra work.
I win.
All right, now that that's done, let's see what we got here. Holy moly guacamole. Likely tomorrow I'll get my bins in. I had to move some containers for Scott. We got a nice pile of aluminum out there that probably Tuesday or Wednesday I'll probably get to it. So we got to get through all this stuff first, and then I can bail that. Dangerous job. One more? One more? Uno más. Heavy irony, right?
No, that's all fine.
Isn't that what you do to me? Isn't that what you... Dude, Chuck was like, what? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Let me get this.
It's a fair trade.
Huh?
It's fair trade. Yeah. I'm sure it works.
Yeah, I'll have to fix some of the dents, but yeah, I'm probably gonna make
What?
I think this is the actuator one. I don't know if this will work.
What do you mean? There you are.
There's the actuator. I'll probably have to bypass it.
That's probably why it got scrapped then. That is no good. Gonna toss it in the bin.
I'll find one day.
Huh?
I'll find one day.
Yeah, you will.
So is this the type of stuff the old man with the lady brings in with the big truck? Last week, it looked like he had some of this. Okay.
I don't remember, honestly.
Yeah, because this comes from the same place that he said that he goes and scraps at.
What, Research Parkway or something?
Yeah.
Let me get my gloves, because I don't feel like getting cut today. That stuff has some... That's all tin, right?
Yeah.
I legit just emptied all the bins, and now you're gonna fill one with 70 pounds. It might be more.
One with the nails, I can.
The what? Meow. Hello. How's school? Boring. What are you doing with these?
Come right out.
Are the nails steel or stainless?
I think they're aluminum.
No, they're not.
Look at how light they are.
They would bend a lot easier if they were.
They don't stick to a magnet.
They don't? Then it's stainless. Yeah, they don't stick to a magnet. What? Did you throw up?
I didn't know. That's dog food.
You got too nice of boots. Huh?
I was trying to see if she would work. She said no. You got this one?
Yeah. She said no. Huh? Huh?
Didn't you want a belt buckle?
Do you want a belt buckle?
Yeah.
Then hold on.
What kind of
Go
belt
get your
buckle?
glove
What kind of belt buckle?
For to go with her outfit.
What, a cowboy belt buckle?
I need you to at least carry something. Yes, there is. Right behind my driver's seat. I will leave the rest real quick. Hold on, let her pull out that last piece.
That last big one?
Yeah, because
She has to earn it. She has to earn it. Ugh. There's the title of the video. She has to earn it. That'll be the title of my video.
What?
She has to earn it. I try to do it. I try to do it with something that was said throughout the day, but sometimes I forget. And then I'm just like, what do I call this? 102. Ooh, that's no bueno. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so she's grabbing that. I'll grab this. Awkward. No, down here. Yeah, right in that one, in that empty one. Yep. These have the motors in them, so they'll go for heavy. Yep, definitely heavy. That same bin.
Huh?
That same bin. Huh? What? Huh? What? Oh, got earbuds in?
Jeff, you ain't got a gas can over there, do you?
A what? Gas can? No. No, sir. Look, and the light's still on.
Yeah.
It still works.
Here, Jess, find the snip.
Right here. Jesse. Watch your feet. And then this goes in the back box. Nothing's good. No, save that for your dad. This goes, not that box, but the one in the back. I think that's gonna be it. Yep. And 116. See if the forklift will get someone unstuck. Get another forklift unstuck. How's that? Did the rear end, did it bottom out?
Yeah.
I'm gonna move that one first so I can just have a straight shot. So. Cummins diesel. We need a straight shot, is what we need. Yeah, he hit the hole right there. I'll come in. I think you're out. I think you're unstuck.
Yeah, I'll get